morning class, welcome back to our online class today. So it's me again, teacher Kongkea, right? So before we start our lesson for today, teacher want you to read the day with teacher first. So today is Friday, August 28, 2020. So today for the first session, we will study our book is Listening Starter 2. So right now, please prepare your book and put it on your table and don't forget your notebook and your pen. So now let's move to the next one. Okay, so today teacher want you to continue our lesson unit 12 that we're talking about packing for a trip, that we will continue our page 85. So right now let's open your book with teacher all together on page 85. So before we continue our lesson, let's move to the next one with teacher first. Okay, so teacher today have extra vocabulary for you that regarding with our page 85. So what is the vocabulary that we focus for today? So now let's move to the next one with teacher all together. Okay, so this one is our extra vocabulary word for today. That everyone, can you guess this picture? What is she doing? Great, so she is singing, right? So who is she? Can you guess it? Very good. So she is a singer, right? Okay, so singer is a noun, a person who sings, especially professionally, right? As you know already, singer is very good of singing and the voice of them is so high that they have amazing voice, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Okay, so everyone, can you guess this picture? What are they doing? And what happened with the kid? Great, so the kid is look like scary, right? So scary is the adjective is fearful or frightened. As you know already, when you scare someone, you always close your eye, right? Especially for the kid when they watch the horror movie or when they feel so shocked with something, they always use the hand to cover their eyes because they don't want to see something is so scary, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Okay, so this picture is glasses. So glasses is a noun, a pair of lenses set in a frame resting on the nose and ear, used to correct or assist defective eyesight. As you know already, when you have the problem with your eyes that you cannot see something is clear, you need to wear the glasses, right? Okay, so here is our vocabulary for today that in our page 85, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one. So teacher want you to open your book right now on page 85 that we will do some activity in our page. So now let's do with teacher all together. Okay, so here is our exercise in our page 85 that we have exercise C. You need to listen to the dialogue, choose the best answer. So teacher will give you the audio track right now, 135, and you need to listen. After that, you need to choose the correct answer that we have A, B, or C in each question. So now let's start with teacher all together.
C. Listen to the dialogue. Choose the best answer.
Did you check out the newspaper today, Vince?
No. Why?
I read about a big singing contest next week. You could win.
A singing contest? What's the prize?
Tickets to an amusement park.
Cool.
So, will you try?
No, singing in front of a lot of people is so scary.
Come on, you're a great singer.
Well, okay, let's pick out a song.
Okay, so teacher know it already that you finished the listening already, right? So now let's answer with teacher first before we go to the next exercise. Okay, so the first one is, how did the girl know about the singing contest? Okay, so A, she saw it on the TV. B, she read about it. C, she hear about it from the boys. So which one is the correct one, everyone? A, B, or C? Okay, good. So the correct one is letter B. She read about it. Okay, so now let's move to number 2. Why did the boy say no at first? A. He was scared. B. He doesn't like singing. C. He didn't like the prize. D. He's a bad singer. So which one is the correct one, everyone? A, B, C, or D? Great. So the correct one is A. He was scared, right? Okay, so now let's move to number 3. What will the girl properly do next? A. Join the contest. B. Sing for the boy. C. Have the boy choose a song. D. Write a song for the boy. So which one is the correct one? Great. So the correct one is C. Have the boy choose a song, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next. Our exercise is exercise D. You need to listen to the speaker, choose T for true or F for false. So teacher will provide you the listening track again, 136. You need to listen. After that, you need to circle the correct answer that we have true or false. So now let's start with teacher all together.
D. Listen to the speaker. Choose T for true or F for false. On my last trip, I did not pack the right way. First, I packed 8 pairs of pants, but I only needed 3. Also, I brought too many books. They made my suitcase hard to carry. And I put my glasses in my suitcase. That was foolish. They broke, and I cut my hand on them.
Okay, so teacher know it already that you choose the correct answer already, that we have true or false, right? Okay, so now let's check with teacher all together. So number 1, the boy packed too many pants. So true or false? Great, so the correct one is true. Number 2, he forgot to bring books. True or false? Great, is false, right? Okay, number 3, he could not find his glasses on his trip. True or false? Great, so is false, right? Okay, so here is our exercise in our page 85 that we have exercise C and exercise D, right? Okay, so you finish already with teacher, right? Okay, so now it's time for our break time right now. So see you again for second session. Goodbye, everyone.